Hi guys, I'm finishing my look. What I need to add now is my lipstick. I'm gonna work on my lips. I'm going to line my lips first. So I feel like I wanna put like a darker lipstick this time. So this one is like brown, like deep brown. We'll see how it comes out, alright? So check this. This is One Size Beauty. The owner of this is named Patrick Starr, and he's a Filipino, guys, a makeup artist. So here's the lips line.